My name is Russell, Minnesota Bearhawk. I should have done this video a little bit earlier, but we're getting to it now. I am building myself an airplane, and I'm hoping you guys will come along for the trip. I'm building a Bearhawk Patrol. It is a two-seat tandem high wing, more or less bush plane. It's going to be a long trip. Long project. I don't expect to have it done in the next year, that's for sure. So yeah, I'm gonna kind of show you where I'm getting started here. This is all scratch built, well, partially scratch built. I bought some parts, but here, let me show you. Here's my build table I set up in my shop, and we've got some of the parts I bought from Bearhawk Aircraft because it's faster and easier and the price was right. We got some more of my wing ribs up there. Got some more spars up on the shelf over there. So here I have the plans I bought from Bob Barrows of R&B Aircraft. He is the original designer of the Bearhawk. He's got a few different models out. But these are the plans you'll get with the Patrol, whether you buy a kit or you can just order the plans themselves and scratch build like I'm doing. Here's basic wing layout. This is what I get to try and decipher because that is not something I have dealt with before or delved into. My experience lies in improvised fabrication. Rock crawlers, jeeps, some hot rods, some race cars, but all of it you kind of did what you wanted as long as it held together. Now this guy, you're kind of following the plans as they go. You don't want to deviate much, if at all. So this will be a little new to me. The other thing, I've never had to hand buck rivets or even determine rivet size needed. That was not something I ever dealt with. So this will definitely be a new experience. I do have the tech inspector of my local EAA chapter is going to be coming by, and he will help me figure these things out. I'm hoping to be able to have the wings done by next summer and be able to start on the fuselage. I don't know if that is realistic, but that's my goal. We'll see how that comes out. So these are the spars. You can kind of, you can see, kind of marked where the tip is at. I've got the Aileron hinge centerline marked on both ends here. This is just kind of getting ready to get going. We've got the factory built trailing edges here. That tight angle, it's just easier to buy it. And again, the price was pretty good on this, so I thought it was worth doing. All hydroformed. These are the Aileron nose ribs here. These are the exact same parts they use for all the quick build kits. So here's the Aileron ribs. Again, hydroformed, nicely flanged. I don't know how well you can see that, but there's a nice flange in there. It's lightweight, nice and stiff. Should go together real nicely. So for a quick look at my shop, I built this place in 2012. We are originally 28 by 44 foot. I did take a little bit out here and there. I got the wall right here is chopping off for part of my gym. But I've still got 900 foot, maybe 1,000 square foot of shop space to work out of. And it's a heated slab, so it's always nice and warm in here. I am new to this YouTube thing, new to video editing, all of that. We're giving it a try. We will see how it comes out. If you guys like the videos, I'll keep making them. If you don't, I might keep making them anyway. We'll see.